If you want to know how to write clickable meta descriptions according to Google guidelines, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to makeblogs.com, your success partner. Today we are diving into an essential aspect of SEO, creating the perfect meta descriptions according to Google's guidelines. So, grab your pen and paper, and let's get started. Meta descriptions are like the gateway to your website. They provide users with a concise preview of what your page is about, convincing them to click through and explore further. And who knows better than Google how to create meta descriptions that work? That's right, we'll be following Google's official guidelines throughout this video. You can find the link in the description box below. First up, creating unique descriptions for each page. Google loves it when you provide specific and relevant information in your meta descriptions. Avoid using the same description across all pages as it won't help individual pages stand out in search results. Instead, craft accurate and enticing summaries for each page. Example 1. Let's take a look at an example. Here's a bad meta description filled with keywords. Get sewing supplies, yarn, colored pencils, sewing machines, threads, bobbins, needles. Now let's improve it according to Google's guidelines. Get everything you need to sew your next garment. Visit us in the Fashion District, open Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. See the difference. The second one is more informative and appealing to potential visitors. Example 2. Another mistake to avoid is using the same description for all news articles, the local news in Hoville, delivered to your doorstep. Find out what happened today. Instead, let's follow Google's advice and create unique snippets for each article. Upsetting the small town of Hoville. A local elderly man steals everyone's presents the night before an important event. Stay tuned for live updates on the matter. By doing this, you provide users with relevant and engaging information that increases the chances of them clicking through to your site. Next up, including relevant information in the description. Sometimes, users need more than just a brief summary. Google suggests adding important details like the author's name, publication date, or key product information. Example 3. Consider this meta description for a book. Written by A.N. author, illustrated by V. Go, price $17.99, length 784 pages. Including these specific details can significantly enhance the user experience and boost click-through rates. If you're dealing with a large database-driven site, don't worry. Google encourages programmatic generation of descriptions for efficiency. Remember, high-quality descriptions can make a real difference in search results. Don't let your meta descriptions become an afterthought. To summarize, crafting perfect meta descriptions is crucial for optimizing your SEO and attracting more visitors. And by following Google's guidelines, you'll be on the right path to success. Remember to check the description box for the official link to Google's guidelines on meta descriptions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks straight from the experts. Let's improve your website search presence together. If you want to get our exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing, and more, contact us now.